welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. We just freed the monks from this area here. And I think this is the, let's see if it doesn't tell you which one's which here. Free the monks at the BadlandsTemple. I think this was the forest temple. And I also did this little pocket dimension here. And what did we get there? I forgot. Let's see. We got... Wait a minute. Armor. Where's my armor? Oh, this way. I believe we got a new set of boots, but I'm not sure. Yep, we did. These boots here. Right here. 5% raritarium earned. I'm not sure what that means. I get more raritarium? Raritanium. I keep calling it tarium. Raritanium. Raritanium. So maybe I get more raritanium when I collect raritanium. I don't know. 5%. I don't know how they... I don't know. I have no idea what that means. Find out, I guess. That was another little jumping puzzle. I did that off camera. Wasn't too bad. I only died a couple times. I want to say that was over... Where was that? I guess those things close up once you do whatever they're supposed to be. Because I don't see it anymore. Yeah, it was here somewhere. Yeah, they must close up after you do them. Anyway, so we have one more set of monks to free. And they are over here. The BadlandsTemple. So we got to go over there. And there is just a ton of stuff to collect in here. From what I understand, there's like 12 orbs in this area. So I'm probably going to make a couple videos and just doing stuff in here if we don't run across something as we're adventuring everywhere. And there's some more raritanium over here. I wonder if I can get that. Where is that? It's this way, eh? Let's see. Is that down here? This looks like death. Oh no, it's not. Must be down here. Yeah, maybe over here. Figure since I'm here. What's this? Another rift? Or anomaly? Oh yeah. Did I not do this one? Maybe I did this one already. I don't see the end goal. This might be the one I did. Oh, no map, that's right. Can't look at the map. Yeah, I don't see the... Might be up there, the end thing. Anyway, we'll look at that later too. I think I'm going to do a video of all of this stuff. Okay, where's that on the map? Yeah, that's the one I already did. It's marked off. It's checked. We already did that one. I want to go and find the raritanium, which is this way somewhere. I guess that's why it's clear. It's not purple or red or whatever. It's clear because I already did it, right? Yeah, it's checked off. Okay, we want to go this way. Oh, that must be the raritanium that's in that thing over there. So it boosts you automatically, huh? Let's see if we can do this again. I mean, I don't know why I can't... Uh-oh, that guy glitched. He's having a hard time. Missed it. Okay, it's not going to work if I don't do it. I got to hit them all. And I think I know what I did wrong in that other one up at the top. Dude, get off of here. There was a little button like this at the end of the wall. Huh, still not getting it. I don't know why I can't get that. I mean, there's nothing else to do there. This guy's got to get off of here. Get off of there, dude. You're in my way. Uh-oh, just go. Already screwed up, probably. He ain't got enough time to mess anything up, I don't think. Oh, I see. You go faster and faster when you click on that. Okay, that's something new. Let's try it again. Oh yeah, then I'm supposed to control it. That ain't gonna happen. Get out of my way. I missed it. Okay, I'm understanding it now. I didn't know you could, these guys in the way though, it's a pain in the butt. I love hovering right around this one over here. Get away from here. You oafs. Got that one. Okay, so now I see the deal. I'm learning. Slowly. Okay, so we got those. Yeah, that other one that I did, if you remember that or not, that was over here, I think, with the walls, and then there was I think that's a lorb at the top of that. Right at the very end, the last wall, there's one of these buttons. I think you're supposed to hit that button to turn off the shield around whatever's there. I think it's a lorb that's there. Alright, so let's, we have to go this way somewhere, right? Yeah, I'll put my boots on. Hold on. We're going this way. Where was that other thing at? It's like right here somewhere, isn't it? Over here. Not here. Down there. Doing where after I came out, I couldn't go back, but this thing here. There's a button. You can see the button on the last wall, but you gotta hit that, or second to last wall, or there's a button there, and there's a button there. There might be 3 buttons there, I don't know. Let's go look. And you gotta hit all the buttons, I guess. Yeah, there's 3 buttons. There's a button here, there's a button at the second wall, and a button at the third wall, and you gotta hit all the buttons. And I believe that's a lorb up there. Now that I think about it, it looked like the other lorb that I got. Alright, let's head this way. But there's so much stuff in this area. It might take 2 or 3 videos to get it all. Where am I going? I'm going this way. I don't like flying around. It's kind of like fast travel, but I like to explore a little bit. You're flying around, you don't get to see stuff. this is not what we're doing. We're doing this. Lombax lore. Yeah, we got Lombax lore everywhere here. Alright, let's see what's this way. What are these things? Oh, shrooms. And bolts for some reason. Now we gotta go this way. Let's see what's up here. That must be the place we gotta go. The giant place with the... Oops, there's also a giant crack here, so let's not die here. So I can fly over places as long as I have a ramp, I guess. What's this? Jump pad? Kind of looks like one. Okay. I hear someone in distress.
Ratchet, we must save the rest of them.
We're going to.
Alright,
May
so...
I suggest determining the best point of attack before you are detected?
Okay, what does that mean? Alright, let's see, which weapons do we got hooked up? We have my pistol. We have my electric gun here. That's at level 2, so that's pretty good. And then we have the neutron collider. Need some ammo for that. But we don't have the enforcer. Enforcer's basically a close combat weapon. Let's put the ricochet over here, and then let's put the neutron bomb or the shatter bomb over here. Oh, this is a super arena here, isn't it? Well, these guys are working out. Okay. Plan of attack. There's another. So there's a lot of ways to attack here, eh? These are all the bomb guys or the punching guys, huh? Okay.
What a beautiful place this is. I hope I'm not forced to destroy it.
I wonder, fighting these guys, it might be better to have a little close combat weapon. They like close combat. And that's the enforcer, isn't it? If I swap that out with something, that's level 3. So I've already got it hooked up. I guess how don't you pick it like this? It's hooked up, it's just not favored. Quick select. Okay, so there's the enforcer there, eh? This is going to be a lot of... There's going to be a few deaths in this one too, I think. It's a big area, and I'm sure more enemies are going to come in here. Let's see. Uh-oh. Damn it. Fell off. A lot of ammo already, huh? Alright. Uh-oh, get up there. Uh-oh, I blow myself up. Ah, I blew myself up too many times. Screwed up. Uh-oh. Where's my, let's see, I need my Megatron Collider. Yeah. Oh, my ammo. Ah. Not using my ammo good here. Alright, we're gonna start again. So, this worked pretty good, I think. The Enforcer, we'll stick that up. That worked pretty good to get things going. Okay, there's a lot of health right there, so we could go there. What's this here? There's a lot of ammo, too.
Finally! Just what I was waiting for! Stop! Free the prisoner! Repairing device.
More of the Emperor's forces.
At least the monks are safe behind that shield. For now.
Oh.
Shatter bombs are not permitted.
Shatter bombs are not permitted. Oh, who's shooting at me? Health is up here, right? Sniper bot. Where is it? There it is. Uh-oh. Those guys are dangerous, aren't they? Where's my collider? That ain't it. Damn it. I thought I had it hooked up. Nope. Can I survive this? With what kind of health I got here? Let's see. Nope. Nope, cannot. Oh, that's a sniper beam. That's what that is. Where is he? He's here somewhere.
All nefarious forces have been eliminated.
I don't think so.
Thank you, Ratchet.
Happy to help. And kick nefarious trooper butt.
Ratchet, that terminal. I must access it.
So that we got all those guys? There was no like second way or anything? Weird. Alright. Alright, so where are they at? Where are the guys at? Oh, they're down there. Okay, so I guess I gotta use glitch again. Figure that out. Is there any more? Ammo and stuff. That's what I really need. Look at all these parts and pieces. That's pretty good. Let's see what else we can find. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Man, I have 17,000 bolts. I gotta go spend some bolts, I guess, eh? These guys, oh. That's pretty funny. There must be some stuff up on top of this ledge over here, huh? There's a few things up here, not much. Oh, here's some more stuff. There we go. There's some more there too. I can get there, can't I? Enforcer ammo. Okay. Sounds like a cat being tortured, man. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get going with glitch, I guess. Where is the terminal? It's on the other side. I'm guessing that there might be a second wave after I get on a terminal, probably, and I have to protect him again.
I am relieved you are all safe. But now we need your help to reach the archives.
Oh, yeah. Let's meet up back in Monktown. We'll get everyone to send you off in style.
Monktown? Uh-oh.
You made it! Oh, thank you both for freeing my brothers.
Gary, we need help getting to the archives. It is urgent.
Of course. Brothers, let's grease some dimensional wheels. After entering the archives takes a leap of faith, Ratchet.
Oh, no.
So you better get a running start.
Oh no. What are we gonna do? Oh, here we go again. Okay.
Faster, Ratchet!
You bet!
This is fun! Yes! The rib! No! They're already here! They will destroy everything! You will do no such thing!
Do I have my other thing on? I do not. I need to have this on. The collider. Let's stick it over here.
The archives run on a helix generator. If we turn it on...
Where's the
we
spy
can get
bots?
inside.
One helix generator switch flip coming up.
Where's that at? Okay, I'm still kind of screwed up here. keep getting the wrong. Yeah, the Megatron Collider. Okay.
This will stop
The knowledge in here is precious. They might damage it.
What am I supposed to do? This? Uh-oh, I'm out of food now. Or out of ammo. Come on.
Some things in here are irreplaceable. The blueprints, the dimensional map.
Where am I supposed to go?
Apologies.
I don't know where I'm supposed to go.
Good riddance. There is a crank along the edge of this floor that will power the generator.
Ammo. Bolts. Let's get as much ammo as we can. I don't know. Not sure this is over yet. Alright, let's go up here. Guess this is where we're going. No, this isn't where I'm going. Where am I going? Oh, this way. Oh, okay. Right.
The generator is powering up,
Oh.
but it is still not at full capacity. We must get to the roof.
How dare you evade the Emperor's wrath? The Emperor demands you bow, and then you slap. It is the monks we need. You are just in the way.
Uh-oh.
I have felt worse out.
Do I have my collider? Let's see. I don't have a lot of ammo. I do.
Say, all hail the Emperor. Say it.
Should have seen that coming.
Why do you even care about the monks? They are so monksy.
Not ammo?
Not permitted.
No. What the hell's going on here?
You will regret this, insolent rebel. Ha ha ha!
Ammo short.
Emperor's appointed fists of justice is not okay!
Get up.
You will regret that!
Cut it out. Ammo. Okay, you want to fight?
I
Uh-oh, hit that thing. Well, I collected health though. Where's the other guy? The big baddie. Here he is.
The Emperor sends his love. This will save your fur.
Out of ammo.
Uh-oh, again, huh?
Cannot get inside until we power the generator.
Okay, now what do I do? What do I do? I have to get inside. Or is it here? But I can't get inside. Access the Vault of Knowledge in the Archives. How do I get in? Can I go through this? I can't go through this. Nope. Okay, another trick here. Something's happening that I don't know what to do. Oh, I gotta go through the hole? No, I can't get in there. Where? Oh.
The force field is powering down. There! The archives are now open.
Let's head inside.
Okay.
Oh, good. The dimension mine was safe.
Baby.
I'd know this writing anywhere. Lombaxes. They must have built this.
Huh, how about that?
My dad was the keeper of the Dimensionator. The original one, anyway. He gave everything to keep it out of the wrong hands. Sorry, Dad.
Do you miss them? The Lombaxes?
Kind of hard to miss someone you've never met. But, yeah. Yeah, I guess I do.
I understand. Perhaps one day you will find them.
Let's figure out if we can even build the Dimensionator first. Can we?
Yes,
Yes.
but the forge needed to do so is located at Kadaro Station, the most secure outpost in the galaxy.
Of course it is.
Well then, let's get moving, KT-74...
Ratchet? I think Kit is my favorite.
Kit it is.
Uh-oh. They're destroying the archives.
We gotta go!
We must protect the archives.
Come on, dude. Seriously?
There's no time!
It has been fun, Ratchet.
Uh-oh. That's pretty funny.
is amazing! Kid! It's just me!
I told you, I do not make a great partner.
Sure, that was intense, but it was kind of awesome.
You do not understand. You are not safe around me. I was built to be a weapon. To keep the Emperor's galaxy secure.
Pretty awesome weapon.
One night on patrol, I spotted a rebel in the Imperial Zone. So I tried to stop them. That is what I was built to do. Hurt. I am here to keep everyone safe from me. And that is why I cannot come with you.
Well, at least this mission worked out, huh?
Yes. I suppose it did.
And if I remember correctly, our promise was that if this mission didn't go badly...
You want to stay a team? You are very strange, Ratchet.
I've been told that a time or two. Team?
Perhaps. Just this once. Yes, I will try.
Alright, so where are we?
Thank you, Ratchet, for helping us.
Anytime. Now, let's get to Kadaro Station.
Alright, let's call this a video right here before they start yammering on. And we'll come right back here and spend some money. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.